cat. Pass the cake, pass the cake. Take it now. Bake me a cake. First, Becky Pan. Christy Pan, Becky Pan. Marty with an ass. And put it in the middle for Mummy and Peaches. Just finish. Did you finish? Then, pass the cake, pass the cake. Yes, baby. Bake me a cake with first Becky Pan. Yeah. Pretty down, Marty with an ass. And put it in the oven for Susie and Peaches. And now I'd like to show Daddy how you can hold the rest of them. No. Bueno. There we go. Shake and shake. Go on. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah, shake it. Yeah, shake it. Go on. Yeah. You good, clever baby. You good and clever, aren't you? Good, clever and beautiful.